to take Spring Mountain Road towards Spring Mountain Road West.
Well, I just arrived at Area 15 here in Las Vegas to see Meow Wolf's Omega Mart. So I just want to take a second before I go and check out Omega Mart and just say that, you know, there was a guy who had a YouTube channel that we lost around Christmas time, suddenly and tragically. I didn't know him, but I did follow him, and like many, many other people, he had an impact on me. He had an impact just being himself, doing things his own way, and just being so vulnerable and real to the world daily. And his name was Adam the Woo. We lost him just a couple days before Christmas, and it was really hard for many, many people, and it still is, for his family and for so many people that he influenced. He was so kind. He leaves such a legacy of content creators, and two that come to mind that I think are really great guys. I don't know them personally at all. I just know they put themselves out there and they just live in their videos very real, very honestly. It's so genuine, and I think that's really the best of content creation, the best of YouTube videos, when people are slightly vulnerable and they just kind of do things their way. They just show you who they are, what they like, and they bring you along for the experience. And those people are Jacob the Carpetbagger and World of Micah. You guys, shout out to both of you, because I still follow your content, but I know Adam was a good friend of both of yours. I know he had a huge impact on how you create videos, and there's still, every time I watch your videos, I can see like small trademark things that maybe Adam would do that translated into your videos in your own way, and it just reminds me of him every time I see it. So you guys just keep up the great work. I love watching your videos. Just keep traveling. And as for me, you know, part of the reason I started this channel was because of Adam the Woo. He had that independent spirit about him where he just lived life on his own terms, and it turned out really great for him. And that's kind of how I look at life. You're best just doing things your own way, because you never know what's going to come from it. You know, put your heart into everything you do. I really never thought I would ever start a YouTube channel, and back during the fall, I think September-ish, I wound up helping to locate a unidentified aircraft crash out near Area 51, and that's on my channel. There's a little bit of video of that, but it was kind of a crude video. It wasn't really well polished, but I didn't even have an intent of publishing it. I just found the spot, I started videoing because I wanted to document it for myself, just to remember what I saw and what it was like. And then I started thinking, you know, people might find this interesting, so maybe I should just publish it on YouTube. So that's what I did. And once the channel was there, I thought, well, I might as well do something with it. My wife has always encouraged me to start a channel because I guess I've got a lot of crazy stories. I've been a lot of crazy places, but I still like to travel and find new things. Certainly not on the extreme of things, and I certainly don't think I'm the most interesting person to listen to or to follow. But I just want to be genuine and share my experiences as I have them. And it may be something that you enjoy too. Maybe it's a place you've never been. Maybe it's a place you'll never go, but you can see it through YouTube or for Facebook. So I just want to be able to share those experiences with you. I hope you enjoy it, but I just want to kind of pay my respects a little bit to Adam, and say thanks to Jacob and Micah, because you guys do great work. Keep it up, and maybe I'll see you around sometime. Now, let's go check out Meow Wolf Omega Mart. So I thought I got here pretty early, but there's already people lining up. It's a Sunday morning. The doors have not opened yet, but the people are already lining up to get in Omega Mart and the Area 15 complex. Now, Omega Mart isn't the only thing that's here. There's several other attractions inside that are pretty cool, but I'm here for Omega Mart. This is probably my third trip here, and I'm going to confess I'm a little biased on this one. I think it's the best. maybe it's not the best, but I prefer it the most. I like it the most. I have the most fun here. I love the way they've set it up. I love the theming. So we're almost inside. Let's check it out. Area 15. Here we go. This place is so crazy inside. Oh my gosh. The psychedelic vibes in this place are real. I know my GoPro is a little dark in here, but everything is glowing, flashing, moving. It's crazy. So I don't think Omega Mart is officially open yet, but let's just take a walk over here and see. Here we go. Omega Mart. This place is just so cool. I don't know if it's just like the retro vibes that it has. I just can't wait to get in, show you guys. It's pretty awesome. So inside here, this whole building here is Area 15, this complex. And in addition to Omega Mart and all of these crazy lights and displays on the outside, you know, there's bars, I think there's small cafes, but there's so many other things. They've got like golf simulators, axe throwing, they have concerts here. I don't know if they have mini golf, but I know there's a number of other things here that you can do. They have a, like a swinging monorail type ride here that goes around the ceiling. You can ride on, it's kind of like a zip line, but it's on like a metal track, and you can ride around the ceiling here. Oh yeah, check this out. Star Wars land speeder right here, surrounded by psychedelic mushrooms. It's pretty sweet. Destabilizer. It's kind of what it feels like when you walk in this place. A little destabilized. Well, I guess we'll sit here and wait until the gates open up on Omega Mart. All right, just got in line here. Portal pass in hand, ready to go. And by the way, if you have ever thought about getting a portal pass to Meow Wolf, you should. It's worth it. All right, cool. Thank you. Thank you. All right, first person into Omega Mart today. The portal pass got me ahead of the line for some reason. Awesome though. So I'm just gonna wander around. I know where to go because I've been here a couple of times, but I just want to look around and see if anything's different from the last time I was here. It's gonna be kind of cool to watch other people discover all the hidden secrets that are inside this shopping center, if you want to call it that. Let's just take a look at some of the products here. We've got some tooth slime. Slime your smile, quick fix. Muscle fresh. You always need a little muscle fresh. Give me a nice cold glass of silt. I'm really thirsty for a can of dehydrated water. Could I please have a can of tattoo chicken? Good morning. You guys have anything on special today?
Oh gosh. Check out the avocado coin purse, very, very nice. Also, prickly pear soda is delicious.
Now this is the one thing in here that's actually the real product. Liquid Death. Cherry Obituary. That's awesome.
Why we've given you
I love these coffee cups. I'll probably have to buy another one while I'm here today.
Omega access card.
If this was a real cereal, it'd be pretty cool actually. Omega Oats. I picked this up and I just thought it was an empty box, but there's actually, it feels like there's actually cereal in here. Wild. Everybody needs a little plausible deniability. That's kind of how I feel too. I'm just done. Oh boy. Something is going on here. Moving into the produce section here. I don't know what's happening, but something's going on. This tent looks a little odd just sitting in the middle of a grocery store. Let's check it out. I knew it. I knew it wasn't just a tent. I don't know where this goes, but see if we can get through it. Okay. Wow. Now this is awesome. We just crawled through a tent, out of the grocery store, and now we're in some magical place. I think that's the actual Meow Wolf flying on the wall right there. Wow. This is like a big projection on the wall. The music in here is so surreal. It's like you could just sit in here for hours. Hard to explain. It's just so tranquil. I think it's because you go from just not necessarily an normal grocery store. It's kind of an odd grocery store, but you crawl through one cave and you're immersed in this place that's just full of color, vibrations, things to look at on every wall, the ceiling, the floor, everywhere. It sort of just kind of captivates you for a minute. For me, this is the first clue that there's an actual storyline here. You see a flag for a missing girl, and you don't know what happened to her. But I have a feeling in this little cabin right here, you can find some clues to follow. Now there's this little computer in this cabin, and believe it or not, when you find things like this in Meow Wolf, you can actually use the computer. It will give you information and give you clues about what the story is. Another way out of the store into another area is just to walk through an exit at the end of the hallway. See where this takes us. Pretty dark, but interesting. It's like a room of leaves with a colored projection overlaid on the entire area around you. Now when you're roaming around Meow Wolf, some places require you to climb or crawl, but if you're not comfortable with that, there's always a stairwell you can find somewhere in here to make it a little easier so you can get from level to level without, breaking a leg or twisting a knee or something if you don't really feel like climbing.
Can I go in there or something?
Yeah, let's see where she's at.
Allowed to go in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a rope to climb and everything.
Okay, so I just crawled into a cave. And this goes almost straight up. So you got a nice rope to hang on to here, but you do have to climb all the way to the top of this. It's a one-way. So let's get going. Hopefully I can do this safely.
What's up there? Oh, I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, I do.
Oh boy, here we go. Almost to the top here. Okay, we made it to the top. And we come out a door to an entirely different place. I love these hallways. They have them at every location. They're all different, but they're so trippy. Let's see what we got down this hallway. Wow. So this looks like a hall of doors, or like a corporation or something. You see all these important people. I guess they're important. I don't know. But there's all these doors, and you don't know what's behind them. So you just gotta try them all out. But I can guess what's going on in here because the door says strobe effect. Okay, well. Whoa. Oh my gosh! Ow, that hurts. That hurts. So, okay, so I just found what's totally insane about this room. Look at this wall. Every time it flashes, there I am. I'm on the wall. I hope the camera catches this. Let's walk over here. Oh my goodness. There I go. That is weird. Let me get back in the camera here. Oh, I'm on this wall too. I'm everywhere. Wow. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. Back to the spacewalk here. Let's go back to this hallway. I'm not done with this yet. Let's see what else is in here. The room formerly known as 206. Okay. Okay. That was unexpected. You never know. You never know, like, what you're going to touch in these exhibits that's going to set off some chain reaction of a sound or a light or anything. You just don't know. Okay, out of this room. The infinitizer. Well, let's see. Oh wow. This door says staff only, and it says internet, and it's locked, so I'm guessing this is actually their network room, so it looks like someplace you can walk into. I guess not. The Luxophone. Oh, this is like totally dark in here. Well, for the purposes of this video, basically what we're seeing here is a bunch of lasers in here. And when you break the plane of the laser, it makes a sound. So, in this room I'm in right now, this is where you start to learn a lot about what's going on here. You learn about what the problem is, get some information on maybe why this girl disappeared, what's going on that would cause that. All these computers in here, you can actually sit down and look at. There's phones you can call on and hear people. Let's see, I'm a guest, yeah. Sure. Welcome, guest. All right. I think what I want to see is the drone archive here. Oh yeah, we're getting into some top secret stuff here.
Oh, you can hear me? Oh,
So I guess we're overhearing a phone call or a video call.
Ah, there we go.
Maybe we're not supposed to hear this, but here it is.
Sam and Dana, right?
The level of detail in here is amazing. Especially the level of detail in the storyline itself is just out of this world. If I remember correctly, there's something about these filing cabinets right here. I think I need to inspect a little closer. Yeah, I think that's a door right there. I think it's a door, but a lot of the doors in here are only like one way, so you can't open it from both directions. You can only open it from the direction you're coming out of the door from, so we'll figure that out later. This is the daydream room. I guess it's appropriately named.
Will you be ready to embrace a new plane of existence?
I think I will, yeah.
Will you have what it takes to complete the trap?
Maybe.
If you have our ability to achieve these lofty goals, consider Walter Graham bought me at the New York.
Hey, wait a minute.
1960.
You're right here.
At the point, I was a single and a drop.
That's Walter Dram, huh?
Let's
See if I can. Oh wow, it actually works.
As well as a capable narrator. There is so much more I can become.
Curious.
That Drab Corp
I don't know what that means. Reynolds has a mother.
So on the subject of everything being interactive, I just discovered that all of these buttons do different things. And it's not just this one thing, it's the entire room. I just can't show the whole room at the same time. Let's see if I can get a wider shot, hit a different button. I don't know if this is gonna pick up, let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, let's see. And there's another one down here. It just never ends in this place.
So the whole room is like that, including the ground. Now, if you have a black light flashlight, you can draw on the ground.
Really?
Yeah, so you see the orange in the ground right now?
Yeah, yeah.
You'll pull it out with your black light flashlight. It'll come brighter than this flower right here.
Oh, that is awesome.
So the stronger the black light, the longer it will stay.
So next time I come, I need to bring a black light flashlight,
Yes, sir.
and it like absorbs the UV
Yes,
in
so
the.
it absorbs
Oh
it,
wow.
Pull it out. Also, you know, in here with the black light flashlight, you can see a whole bunch of other things.
Wow. Thank you for the tip.
No problem.
This place is quite the labyrinth. I don't know if even on camera it captures the depth of the room here. It's just gigantic in here. There's at least three levels. At least three levels that I can see right now. There's interconnecting metal slides from one level to another. There's spiral staircases, regular staircases, catwalks. Wow. And check out this wall of cameras. Similar, I think, to one in Denver. They have a wall of cameras, and the cameras are set up all over the exhibit. So even though you know you're on film pretty much everywhere we go, now you can sit back and watch people on film. And they don't know you're watching them here. But they'll eventually find out. That's so cool. I wonder if I could get this installed in my house. I think that'd be pretty sweet. And it looks like we got another little passageway here. Well, I guess I've got to see where this goes. Oh, this is really, really low. I thought I could totally stand up in here, but clearly I can't. Wow, this is like a totally enclosed like catwalk up here. I guess because we're so high. I think we're on the at least the third story now. So from this middle level, you can pretty much go anywhere. You can go down, you can go up, or you can go over.
I am here to present to you a new platform that will free you not only of your physical desires, but of your physical bodies. Welcome to my vision. I eliminate your need for physicality that has only ever limited your potential. So many users felt
All right, let's go through this tunnel right here. Oh, that's not a tunnel. Well, back in the store now. Very different looking t-shirts here. Oh boy. And here is another entrance.
So what does Omega Mart do with your ideas?
Well, they seem as if they'll have to whatever ideas get produced. But the only thing I think company is good though, so whatever.
So what are you calling us tonight?
I don't know. It's the right thing to do.
Come on.
Okay, mostly like.
It looks a little frosty in here. Very suspect. And we're back in the grocery store. What's so crazy about this fridge is there's actually drinks in here you can buy. You know, they're real drinks. They're actually cold, and they are for sale. But if you grab the wrong cooler, you're not going to get a cold drink. You're just going to get weird. I do plan on getting some lunch soon, but tattoo chicken is not it. This place is getting kind of dirty. Let's see if this janitor can help us out here. Anybody in here? Just a little rundown. Starting to think this is not a janitor's closet. This might be the closet of shrooms. I knew it. I knew it. All this meat looks delicious. Let's see if we can find the butcher in this place. No butcher to be found. I was really hoping to ride that slide all the way down from the top, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. I love this floor. You're almost afraid to stand on it, but it's perfectly safe to walk on, as you can see. Man. Oh, those. That's a bunch of chumps right there. It's not a very flattering look for me, I don't think. No, I don't think so. Let's try a little. I don't think so. Let's get rid of that. Let's change that. I don't like this either. Good grief. How do you make it go? Oh, here we go. How do you make it go away? Oh boy. This is horrifying, actually. How do you make this thing change? Okay. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Oh boy, gotta hold it. Oh, let's see. Thing stop. Okay, I'm out.
For a handout, which to pull my finger apart into blissful harmony with the source.
So they've kind of got the. It's a store, but it's not a store. But it is a store because I think everything's for sale in here. But they also have a gift shop too. So if there's something you don't see in the store that you want, go to the gift shop because they have stuff in there too. That's a cool t-shirt. I like that. Got the chumps on there. And for those interested, I think there is an adult beverage establishment inside the Omega Mart. Let's take a look. Sure is. And there we go. I don't know if everybody knows this place exists, but it's here. Let's go back into the store. Oh, and another opening here. I didn't even know this was here. And as usual, it is surrounded by weird. It's like these chumps got a little old. I think I know some people that need this. Some heavy mellow aura spritzer. Yes, I like it. Oh, mitosis. Pillbox, huh? I mean, sometimes that's just the way it is. You got to take medicine. Cage-free toes. You know, sometimes I wish people's toes weren't uncaged. Some toes need to be caged. People really love this place. It's so fun. You could sit here for an hour just reading all the products in here. Every one of them's got some kind of joke or innuendo. Pretty funny stuff. So when I saw this cereal earlier, I thought there was real cereal in these boxes, but one of the workers here told me it's just a puzzle inside, which is why it feels like there's cereal in there. Good to know. I love this. I can just sit and watch and listen for a long time. Well, it's starting to get a little crowded in here now, so I'm going to bid farewell to Omega Mart for now and go check out the gift shop. Say goodbye to Omega Mart for now. And as we come out now, Area 15 is lighting up out here. All the vendors are starting to open up. A lot more people are starting to show up. It's a very happening place. Really cool. over to the Meow Wolf gift shop and see what they have. I don't think there's anything in here that I just can't live without today, but they do have a lot of interesting swag and souvenirs in here to pick up if you're a fan of Meow Wolf. Well, that's it for Meow Wolf Omega Mart at Area 15 in Las Vegas. That place is awesome. I love every time I come here. It is so bright out here, I can't really see. You're like in darkness for a couple of hours and you come out here in the blazing desert sun, can't see anything. But it was great. Definitely recommend coming here, check it out. Spend a couple, 2 or 3 hours here. There's a lot to see. There's also a lot to do at Area 15. It's like they keep adding more and more stuff. Every time I come back, there's more things to do here. So be sure to check it out. You could spend like at least a half a day, maybe a whole day here. A lot of people come here at night because it goes all day long into the night hours. So whatever you want to do, choose your own adventure here at Area 15. Definitely come check out Omega Mart. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
Remember,